Hey, y'all. It's now
What?
time for my segment for domestic violence and sexual violence tips. April, as we know, this is probably going to be the last time we talk about this abuse and what's going on in the city of Cleveland. There is definitely a gentleman in the Mount Pleasant area, I have to say it every time, that is strangling and raping women by large numbers. Please protect yourself. So this week we're going to talk about tips for moms because a lot of us women do have children, and that kind of takes up a lot of our time as far as being out and paying attention. So basically, as a mom, you want to be aware of your surroundings. When you enter stores or any sort of setting, you want to look from left to right, get in that habit of looking around and know where the exits are. You never know when some stuff is going to jump off. You got your kids with you, know how to get in and out of places. Bad people are always looking for a woman who does not have a clue, so pay attention. Secondly, as a mom, get off your phone. It's kind of hard to talk, text, bag groceries, give your kids undivided attention. I mean, keep your phone with you just in case for emergencies, but a lot of crimes incur because of cell phone distractions. So keep your cell phone on you, but don't let it distract you. Also, sorry, just bear with me a little bit. Lock doors behind you. You got to get in the habit of that. If it's a car door or a house door, if you're somebody else's house, get in the habit. And in most new cars, your doors don't lock until you go up to 25 miles an hour. If you're sitting in the car stalling, get those doors locked whenever you are going and coming. And last but not least, don't be a target. Wearing restrictive clothing, you can't run in, your behind is hanging out, you got on high heels. They want to get you. You can't get away. You can barely walk, let alone try to fight and defend yourself. So you want to wear clothes that, don't make you a target for that. Don't wear flashy jewelry. Clearly, that's another target to being robbed. And don't flash money in stores on IG or anything like that. And that would just about do it for me for the tips. Does anybody have anything they'd like to add?